Thank you so much, Fabio. Thank you. Okay, Sir Michael. Thank you so much. Yeah, please watch the link that I drop by Ann TV. Please watch that tutorial. Then you can honestly, I didn't watch this because I know already. But Arthur said that it will be very helpful for you and Boo. So try it. Oh, yes, because you need to install first. Yeah, you need to download first, and then after that, once you uploaded already, once you download that application, Kira, let me know and I will share here my link, my own link. John, okay, John, I will share my link now and you can add me there. When I originally downloaded Telegram on my Android, I just did a search on Google for it. Okay, John, but Kira, she feel hard to find the Telegram. Hello, Manny. Thank you so much for staying. Sorry, was unable to finish my typing because women are already trying to. Oh my God! I think you should hire a personal army to protect you, Fabio. Like personal security guard to protect you. But you know what? It's all up to you also if you will allow yourself being kidnapped with them. I know, right? I know. Zomi, welcome back. Zomi. Chowdhury is only familiar with me. Zomi, welcome to my live stream. Thank you so much. God bless. I know, Fabio, you are joking. We don't need to be very serious here all the time. Okay lang, Michael. Okay lang. Pwede ka naman po lumabas. Thank you so much. My heart is more beautiful than anything. Yes, you are right, Fabio. You know, we cannot say that this person is beautiful or this person is handsome unless you will know him or her personally. And you know everything about her and everything about him. Because that's what they said. Beauty will change. Body will change. But what is your attitude from the very beginning until the end? It will not change. And I know also, guys, how to read people. Like even you are just commenting there, I know how you are. I can read personality of people. That's why I can choose which one is genuine and which one is just, you know, just playing around. Thank you so much, Zomi. Thank you. From where are you, Zomi? I came from Philippines, Zomi. Yes, Jan, you are right, Jan. The most important is the inner beauty, because whatever your attitude is, they are telling, oh, as long as you're alive, you have the chance to change. Of course not. I don't believe that. You are right, Fabio. You are right. I'm 41, Fabio. I'm not hiding my age. Thank you so much, Zomi. How about you? From where are you?